In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video on Google Drive and share the link efficiently. Let's dive in step by step to make this process as quick and easy as possible. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to do so using your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Google Drive home screen, which is where we'll start the upload process. Now look towards the left side of the screen and find the New button. It's a big, colourful button, usually giving off a promising blue hue that stands out amid the minimalist workspace of Google Drive. Click on this button and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, click on File Upload. This option will open a file picker window, allowing you to browse through the files stored on your computer. Navigate to the video file you'd like to upload, select it and hit Open. Your upload will start immediately, and depending on the size of your video file, this could take a few moments, so sit tight as your file makes its way to the cloud. Once the upload is complete, you need to locate the video file in your Google Drive. Take a moment to ensure it's there and ready to be shared. Once you've found your uploaded video, point your cursor to the video and you'll notice 3 vertical dots appear. This is the More Options menu. Click on these dots to reveal another menu filled with options. We're interested in sharing this file, so we'll focus on Share. Hover your mouse over it and the word share will become highlighted. Go ahead and click on share and a new window will pop up. This pop-up is crucial as it determines how you will send your video to others. You can type in the email address of the person you want to share the video with in the provided field. You have a lot of flexibility here. You can enter one email or several, depending on how many people you want to share the file with. Once you've typed in the email addresses, look towards the bottom right of this pop-up window and find the Send button. Click on Send and a notification will pop up indicating your video has been shared successfully. The recipients will now receive an email notification with a link to the video file and they'll be able to access it right away. That's all there is to uploading and sharing a video on Google Drive. Hopefully this helps simplify your digital sharing experience so you can focus on what really matters, creating and sharing great content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.